Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Once upon a time, far away, there lived a lovely princess. She had long red hair and loved roses. So everyone called her Princess Rose. Every night, Princess Rose went out to the palace balcony and clapped her hands. A golden bird came flying out of nowhere and sat on her shoulder. Then the princess' hair would begin to shine with a bright red light. The bird would sing a melodious tune. The princess would join the bird. The song was a lullaby. Everyone in the kingdom would fall asleep. They would have sweet dreams till the break of dawn. Thus, many years passed. Every evening, Princess Rose and the Golden Bird sang a loving lullaby, which put everyone to sleep. Until one day, a wicked witch learned about Princess Rose. She decided to curse her.
Abracadabra sim sim, may Rose's color dim.
Princess Rose's hair turned black as star. She was very sad. That evening, she went to the balcony. When the Golden Bird came, her hair glowed black instead of red. They both sang the lullaby. Everyone in the kingdom fell asleep, but that night they only had bad dreams and nightmares. Princess Rose said, "Tell me, Golden Bird, how can I make my people dream sweetly again?"
"Black hair in rose water."
The bird chirped in reply and flew away. The princess ordered roses dipped in water, but it was in vain. The wicked witch had made all the roses disappear. The princess was so upset that she started crying. Soon, a young and handsome prince came by. He had heard about the princess's problem. He had a rose with him. Rose water was made using this rose. The princess's hair was dipped in rose water. It turned golden red. The curse of the wicked witch was broken. Everyone in the kingdom was happy now. The prince and princess got married and lived happily ever after.